Hi everyone, welcome to Rooster's Road Trips. Today it is October, and what that means in the Rocky Mountains is leaf peeping. We're going to head out to Guenella Pass today, and we're going to check out the sights, and we're going to get some cool video. So come along with us, grab a cup of coffee, have a seat, and join us for the ride. Rooster's Road Trip. Live the moment. We started off our journey in Vail, Colorado and headed towards Guenella Pass. Who knows what today's journey will bring. Alright, we just hit Guenella Pass here with Patterson.
What's up?
Bildo in the back.
Good morning.
And Rooster at the steering wheel. A former burro trail, now paved Guenella Pass Scenic Byway is 22 miles and climbs to the timberline, taking in spectacular views of Mount Bierstadt, Mount Evans, and the Alpine Tundra before descending into cool groves of aspen and pine that light up with brilliant golden hues come autumn. Would have gotten some really good video of a cool ass moose, but my dumb ass forgot to didn't hit the button all the way on the damn camera, so I missed it. But Bildo did get some stills, so I'll make sure those are in the video. But it would have been really cool had I got the video that I thought I got. The Eisenhower Tunnel traverses through the Continental Divide at an average elevation of 11,112 feet, making it the highest tunnel in the world. After leaving Guenella Pass, we took 70 west through Vail and then took 24 south. A couple miles down the road, we found 707 to the right and took it. That led us to the Minturn Mine Aqueduct. What a sight to see. A funky old railroad town developed in the late 1800s, Minturn's quaint shops and old Colorado architecture offer a peek at the past, while the town bustles with contemporary business activity and attractions. now abandoned town of Gilman was initially founded in 1886 by miners searching for silver, but later became a center for lead and zinc mining. Gilman became an official ghost town in the spring of 1985 when the Battle Mountain Corporation evicted its remaining residents and the post office closed its doors forever. Red Cliff Bridge was built in 1940 and is Colorado's only cantilevered steel arch bridge. The peaks and the valleys within this monument forged the elite soldiers of the famed 10th Mountain Division, the Army's first and only mountain infantry division. The 10th Mountain Division helped free Europe from the grip of the Nazi control in World War II. At its height, Camp Hale sprawled across 1,500 acres and contained 1,000 buildings, including 245 barracks that could house more than 15,000 soldiers. Some locals say Leadville really is about 2 miles closer to heaven. At 10,152 feet, it's the highest incorporated city in North America and is flanked by Colorado's highest 14ers, Mount Elbert and Mount Massive. The 10th Mountain Division was originally organized during World War I in July 1918 as a regular Army and National Army division and was commanded by Major General Leonard Wood. And since 2002, the 10th has been the most deployed regular Army unit. Its combat brigades have seen over 20 deployments to both Iraq and Afghanistan in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. Today's road trip has taken us through the beautiful Rocky Mountains where we've gotten to peep the leaves, see some history, and spend some time with family and friends. We hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please click like and please subscribe for future videos. Until next time, don't forget to live the moment.